John from Stonehouse Homestead, and guess what? Another knife review. Now, I used to have a friend. Well, I still have a friend, but anyway, he used to buy all these artsy knives and stuff, and I thought, he's kind of crazy. Well, I went to college for art, and as I was seeing more and more of his stuff, the more I thought, actually, this is an actual art form. So, what we got here is sort of a knife art. Sort of. So, just to keep people on the know, I'm not made of money. I do have $100 a month spending money, and so I save up for these stupid little toys. So, it's not like I'm going crazy and buying these super expensive knives because I'm rich. I'm not. But, let's get out the knife that I always use, day in and day out. That's right, it's a Leatherman. This is a Style CS, mean scissors. Because it has, and I mean, this is my everyday carry, big time. I have lost them, and I've purchased them over and over again. So, just FYI. So now, I'm just going to make sure that this is in focus. Yep, all right. The overhead camera is in focus. So I'm going to open this up. This is a Boker. It is made in Germany. Boker is well known for their traditional folding knives. And what makes this one special is this is made out of metal or steel from a World War II Sherman tank. The proceeds on this particular knife goes to support a museum in Virginia, I believe. I'll put the information below. But anyway, here we go. So, I was so excited when I saw this on another YouTube channel. That's right. I do watch other YouTube channels. Sorry about the vibration. Alright, here we go. Alright. Ooh. I got one cozy. Oops, don't want to do that because it loses my face. Alright. Got another cozy. Ooh, two cozies. Ooh, playing cards. That's kind of neat. Well, that actually gives you a sense of what they're known for. Yeah, traditional folding knives. All right. Oops. I'm going to have to fuzz that out. All right. So, did it lose me? Nope, it didn't lose me that time. All right. Technology. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh, okay. So, let me make sure. Gotta make sure it's in frame. Yep, it's in frame. I had put a pen here. Ooh, look at this. My goodness. Holy cow. Alright. Here's a nice little booklet. Little catalog. Alright. And this is what it is, folks. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Certificate. But it's the Boker M4 Sherman Damascus. Oh, that's German for Damascus. So it's the Boker M4 Sherman Damascus. And let's see here. It's okay. Here, let me read the English. Blade steel, hand forged Damascus, custom ladder pattern, layers 80. Wow. Forger Chad Nicholas of the USA. Now he's supposed to be awesome. Hardness Rockwell is 58 HRC. Grind is flat. That means that some blades are flat like this, and then others have like a scallop. This is flat. And then the handle material is burlap micarta. And that's basically, I believe it actually is made out of actual burlap. There were one German and one English. Okay. It's actually made out of burlap, but it's impregnated with some sort of plastic, I believe. So have a nice little pocket sleeve. Yeah. And then here's the knife. Oh, it comes not in a box because, well, it is a box, but it comes in its own display case. And it is transparent. Oh, my goodness. Look at this, man. Yeah, that's right. It's just hovering there in the middle of space. That is so cool. And yeah, it's kind of like saran wrap, sort of. I guess it's holding it up pretty well. Yeah, I can see where they had to scooch this around to get this in the center because there's marks on the cellophane. Now, warning. Okay. How do you open it? Ah, okay. There we go. So, I'm going to do this with the above camera. But, so to open this up, and let me make sure it's in frame. Yep. So, this opens up, and then that opens up. And then here is the knife. So, you can really see, I'll get this down in the light, M4 Sherman Damascus. That is beautiful. So this is why I say this is more of a art knife than it is a actual usable knife. That is so pretty. So let's see here. There you go. Now the gist of this is that the pattern mimics the it mimics the pattern that a tank makes in dirt. So that's why they use that. And then this micarta mimics the military uniforms. So that is just gorgeous. But my goodness, that is such a pretty knife. That is such an awesome design. And let's see how well it flips. So that's how it looks folded. And another thing, this pivot point, they tried to mimic the drive gear on a Sherman tank, so that's why it looks that way. But that is such a beautiful knife. Ha 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 ha, I lied. Let's try it again. There we go. All right, folks. Well, I am very happy with this purchase. This is a very pretty knife. It's well made, my goodness. I don't see any flaws. I can't believe the Damascus blade. Because some of the knives that I've purchased have had Damascus blades, and it just looks like it's printed on. Where this, you can actually see the difference between the two types of metal. I mean, there's actual physical height difference between one metal and the next. So anyways, that's it. That's all that I got. This Boker Sherman M4 Sherman Damascus is a very awesome knife. Now, I'm not sure. I think it says 68, and I was reading somewhere that these are numbered, so that's a pretty low number. So I'm happy about that. I don't see any other numbers. 68 was a good year. That's some family members of mine were born in 1968. That is awesome. All right, I'm too much geeking on this, folks. So anyway, if you think this was interesting, fun, entertaining, please give us a thumbs up. And even better, tell me what do you like about this and what you don't like about this. Because apparently leaving comments are very important to YouTube now. And of course, subscribe. Just smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time on the Stonehouse Show. Life is good? No, that's taken too. Anyway, bye.